I'm Kathleen Millen. I'm an assistant professor at the University of Chicago in the Department of Human Genetics and also in the Department of Neurology. And I work on brain development, and specifically I work on cerebellar development. The cerebellum, the part of the brain back here at the back of the skull, and it's most famous for its role in motor development, but it turns out it's involved in a lot of things, and it's a really interesting part of the brain. Pattern formation is the development of pattern in a biological system, and it's one of these words that developmental biologists use kind of in a squishy way to mean almost anything. And it's not really clear what it means. I think every developmental biologist would give you a different version of what it means. To me, what it means is, how does the brain, or in particular the cerebellum, know from top and bottom? How do you define left and right? How do you decide which part of the structure is going to be which part? And once you've made those critical, fundamental, early embryonic decisions, how do you bring all of the cellular structure together to form the exquisitely patterned part of the brain that we call the cerebellum? So we're really interested in cerebellar development and pattern formation in the developing cerebellum because the cerebellum is an exquisitely patterned tissue. It's got not that many cell layers and not that many cell types, so relative to other parts of the brain, it's it's a relatively simple structure. And also because the cerebellum has a very specific function, or one of many functions, is motor coordination. When mice or humans have cerebellar abnormalities, one of the resulting phenotypes is motor uncoordination. And so over the 100 years or so of mouse genetics,